Hello, in this video we are going to take a look at the Doppler report in Connect. I have in this example a beam-to-beam where the supported beam is W12 by 19 is framing to W30 by 19. So I'm going to design the beam, but before I design the beam, I'll go to QuickQnect.com and under the job properties, I will activate the Doppler optimization. Okay, so it is already activated. In the basic information page under optimization, you will find Doppler optimization. So this is activated to yes. So now let's run this connection. So I selected the two beams here, and I'm going to run the Doppler optimization. I'm calling the session name Doppler trial -1. I know previously that this is going to have a Doppler because I'm using loads of 60 kips only to this small beam W12 by 19, and it is framing to a large beam like W30 by 90, so the cope size will be large. So in this case, the beam will need to be reinforced with a Doppler. So let's take a look now about the connection. Okay, so it is inserted, and as you can see here, there is a Doppler added. Okay. So now let's take a look at the Doppler optimization report and see how we can avoid using the Doppler. So the Doppler optimization does not do the changes on its own. It will provide you with a report. To access the report, you go to View Reports, and I'm going to select the session name Doppler trial. And the connection type, I'll choose shear plate, and I'll choose Dopplers. In the Dopplers for shear plate report, you will find here the filler beam, the supported girder, and then the span and the capacity and the reactions. Then you got the options here. So beam capacity without Doppler is 50 kips. So you can check with UR if the loads can be reduced from 60 to 50, we can avoid using Doppler. The other option is that you use a larger beam like W12 by 22 instead of W12 by 19. And this way, the beam capacity with Doppler will be 60, which is more than the reaction, so you can avoid using the Doppler. Or you can use W14 by 22 also. You can avoid using Doppler in those cases. So this report you can run for the whole model, and it will give you this kind of analysis about the locations where there are Dopplers and where you can avoid and how you can avoid using the Dopplers. So you can send this very early in the project to your UR, and the UR can review and provide you with a solution. Either he can accept reducing the loads or using a larger size. So this way you can avoid using costly Dopplers at an early stage at the model. And that's how Connect can help you identify the locations of Dopplers in the model. So imagine if you have a really large model with 500 Dopplers, you have the chance very early on in the project to identify those locations of Dopplers and a solution to avoid using them. So that's it, and thank you for watching.